Every week, dozens of new AI tools drop. Most people miss them, we find them for you. This is 5 AI tools you missed this week. Let's get into it. Welcome to the Newbie weekly AI roundup. Every week, I go through the tools, updates, and launches from the past 7 days and pull out the 5 you actually need to know about. No fluff, no hype, just the tools worth your time. If you want this every week, hit subscribe. It's free and it takes 2 seconds. And now, let's get into the list. Tool number 1 this week is Perplexity AI, and if you haven't tried this yet, stop what you are doing after this video and go test it. You type a question, it searches the web in real time and gives you one direct clean answer with every source cited right below so you can verify anything instantly. Watch this. Sources group is right below the answer. You can click on it and go to the original sources. That means you can trust what you are reading and dig deeper whenever you need to. For research, staying informed or fact-checking anything, this is the tool. Who is this for? Anyone who uses Google to research anything. Students, professionals, curious people. The free tier is excellent. You don't need to pay to get serious value. Tool 2 is Gamma. And this one genuinely shocked me the first time I used it. You type a topic and it builds you a full presentation in about 30 seconds. I'm going to type in a topic right now and show you what comes out. Look at that. Proper slides, proper layout, images already in there. This is not a rough draft, that's something you could actually use. You can edit every slide, swap them, change the text. It's fully customizable after generation. Who is this for? Students doing presentations, small business owners pitching ideas, anyone who needs slides fast and hates making them. Free tier gives you 4 AI generations a month, more than enough to get started. Tool 3 is Otter.ai. This is specifically for anyone who sits in the meetings, interviews or calls and has to take notes at the same time as listening, which is basically impossible. Otter fixes that. It joins your Zoom, Google Meet or Teams call automatically, transcribes everything in real time, and then gives you a summary with action items at the end. You literally do nothing except have the meeting. The free plan gives you 300 minutes of transcriptions per month. For most people, that covers every meeting you will have. The accuracy on English is genuinely impressive. Tool 4 is ElevenLabs. And this one is relevant if you make any kind of content, video or podcast. It generates human sounding voiceovers from text and the quality is unlike anything else out there right now. I am going to type a sentence and let you hear what it sounds like.
Hello there, how are you doing?
Hello there, how are you doing?
This is not a person, that's AI. The free tier gives you 10,000 characters per month, enough to voice a short video every week. If you are building a faceless YouTube channel, podcast or any audio content, this tool is for you. And tool 5, Notion AI. If you already use Notion for notes or planning, this is no-brainer upgrade. If you don't use Notion yet, this might be the reason to start. Notion AI sits in your workspace and can summarize your notes, turn bullet points into full documents, generate action items from meeting notes, and answer questions about anything you have asked. It's like having a ChatGPT that actually knows your own work. The AI add-on is $10 a month on top of the free Notion plan. If you live in Notion, it's worth every cent. That's the first weekly roundup. 5 tools, all free to try. Every week, I will be back with 5 more. AI space moves fast. This series exists, so you never have to worry about missing what matters. If this was useful, hit subscribe and drop a comment. I will see you next week.